तो फ्रॉम Durkheim solidarity to Weber's rationality, sociology unveils human reality. यस ना. एक दिन बैठे बैठे मैं ये पोएम लिख रहा था, इन्होंने पार्ट पार्ट करके ये दे दिया. बेसिकली दिस इज अ पोएम एक्चुअली, राइट? या पूरी एक पोएम है. अब मैंने इनको दिया कि ये पोएम बच्चों से शेयर करना, उनको याद रखना आसान होगा, ऑल थिंकर्स. सो उसमें बेसिकली यही था. तो Durkheim solidarity to Weber's rationality. गिर गया पॉइंट. लाइक जो ह्यूमन रियलिटी है, सोशल रियलिटी है, उसमें इंडिविजुअल रेशनैलिटी इज ऑल्सो देयर एज वेल एज सॉलिडारिटी इज ऑल्सो देयर. यस और नो? सोशल सॉलिडारिटी इज ऑल्सो देयर. यस ना? राइट. सो दिस इज, जितना हम वेस्टर्नाइज हुए इंडिविजुअल रेशनैलिटी हमारा बढ़ गया. यस ना? सॉलिडारिटी, traditional collective conscience, based on caste, based on patriarchal, values and norms, isn't it? Based on religion, religious orthodoxies, all declined over the period of time. Yes or no? But still, when human rationalities, failed to provide solution to the problems and issues, isn't it? Relate people to other people, relate people to other people, isn't it? ये rationality था ना, industrialization, Nehruvian Mahalanobis model of industrialization adopted in second 5-year plan. Yes ना? Modern rationality था, isn't it? But that could not provide solution to society, isn't it? Different sections of population. So people continue to rely on traditional notions of solidarity and collective consciousness based on caste, collective consciousness based on ethnicity. Yes or no? तो हमारी सोसाइटी में भी आप देखेंगे तो मेजरली यही. आप जैसे दलित कैपिटलिस्ट, isn't it? तो इंडिविजुअल रेशनैलिटी है. Yes or no? कि some individuals have set, isn't it? But again, such capitalists being conscious of the collectivity, and set up Dalit Venture Fund. Yes na? To provide funding to the collectivity or the members from that collectivity, that social group, isn't it? That is again a matter of collective conscience and solidarity, isn't it? Getting your point. So this is Agarwal Venture Fund, right? So this is, तो यही है ह्यूमन रियलिटी में. एक तो collective conscience that enhances solidarity, that maintains solidarity. Individual rationalities, आप individual rationalities, like you become legal rational, isn't it? Scientific rational, isn't it? And you bring change in society. Yes ना? So this is, उसी पे एक ये छोटा सा poem था.
Do one thing. Compare the mark sheets of the last 10 UPSC toppers. You'll be shocked to find that in GS papers 1, 2, 3 and 4, almost everyone scores around 100, 120. Only a handful of toppers score above 120 in any particular GS paper. So, what's the real secret? The one you might be missing that all these toppers know. It's the optional subject essay writing and ethics. Together, these domains carry a massive weightage of 1000 marks. And the easiest and most consistent optional subject to score in, sociology. But remember, to score good in sociology, you will always need a critical and sociological thinking.
Vikash Ranjan sir ki
Vikash Ranjan sir.
I had joined Vikash Ranjan sir.
Vikash Ranjan sir.
Vikash Ranjan sir. The guidance of Vikash Ranjan sir here.
And all these toppers developed it and prepared for sociology and essay writing by joining Vikash Ranjan sir's sociology optional and essay writing program and used Triumph IAS resources for sociology. Plus, they receive continuous daily one-on-one interaction with Vikash Ranjan sir after class, either on call or WhatsApp. That's the kind of dedication you get from him. He's always available for his students. Don't think much, join now.